Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to rename the TikTok collection. Open the TikTok app on your mobile phone. Log into your account in TikTok. Go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon shown at the bottom. Here, you can see the videos you saved. You can also create your new collection. Tap on Create a New Collection and type any name of your collection. After that, you can add any videos to your collection. Now, you can see your collection. By tapping on the collection, you can see all the videos of your collection along with the name. To rename the collection, tap on the arrow shown in the top right corner. Here, you will get a Change Name option. By tapping on it, you'll be able to change the collection name. In the end, tap on Save to save the changes. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.